Greetings, it's Dr. Andrea Hall again, your mind body nurse coach. And today we're doing our third line dance, focusing on the body. We've been talking about the mind, we've been doing heart math exercises, we've been talking about curing science principles, and now I've moved on to the body. So this is the third of 3 line dances that I've taught. And the reason I chose line dances for the body session is because movement is so important to health. We've got to keep on moving. Use it or lose it. So, movement. A few things that make movement good is that when we do things like in terms of line dances and dance routines, we're using the brain. We have to think about what comes next. We have to remember. So, you're exercising your brain. It's good for your mind because we release endorphins and feel good and increase our mindset when we're having fun. And hopefully you find line dances fun. I certainly do. It's good for our heart because we're exercising our cardiovascular system. It's good for our lungs because we're breathing and working our pulmonary system. And it's good for our muscles because we're moving them, working them, contracting them, stretching them. And it's good for our joints because we're moving and lubricating our joints as well as soothing the nervous system when we're having a good time. So, all good reasons to move. And I'm going to teach this line dancing facing this way so that my right will be your right and my left will be your left. When I'm facing this way, you just mirror me. So my right will be your left will be your right. You've probably taken exercise classes before where you just mirror the instructor. So let's do this. So it starts with 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, or right, left, right, left, right, or 1, 2, cha, 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 whatever works for you. Okay, that's what we're going to do. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and then the left side. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's do that. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now this one's a little bit trickier, but it's okay. It's the same count. So you're going to go 1, 2, back, step, up. 1, 2, back, step, up. All right. 1, 2, back, step, up. So let's put that together. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, back, step, up. After that, we're going to do a calypso turn. So starting with the left, we go calypso, 1, 2, 3. Then we do it on the right. Calypso, 1, 2, 3. Let's do that all together, okay? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, back step up, calypso. 1, 2, 3, calypso. 1, 2, 3. Then we're almost finished. On the left, you're going to go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to swing, 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 swing. Swinging the hips 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, you will see that step done in many variations. Some people will go 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Some people take out the hip circles all together and they will do kicks. So go 1, 2, 3, 4, or however. But we, who have practiced for the Sonoma County 55th Juneteenth Festival, have practiced together so we can do it at the festival, and we have chosen to do 4 hip swings like that. Okay, and that's the end. So let's go through it again without the music. Then I'm going to put on the music. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, back and front, calypso. 1, 2, 3, calypso. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and hip swing. Now, some people do it in a line, or some people do it in a circle, some people do it in a square. So you can turn here to start again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And then we do our 1, 2, back step up, calypso. 1, 2, 3, calypso. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and hip swing. Got it? Let's do it to the music. Takes a while for the lyrics to start. Some people like to start with the lyrics. Some people start before. So, do you? Again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Back and front. Calypso. Calypso. Left, right, left, and hip. Hip, hip, hip. Hey. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Back step up. Calypso. Calypso. Left. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And hip, 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 hip. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Calypso. Calypso. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And up, 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 up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, so. Calypso. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And hip, 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 hip. I hope you enjoyed that. It's fun, right? The movement is good for you. All right. Y'all take care. This is Dr. Andrea Hall saying, enjoy your life. Thank you for watching.